Well, hey, welcome back. Still out here slaving away on the front end of the Jimmy. Still not running, but I'm having too much fun putting the front end of this thing back together. So, I think I'm going to press on. Bumper's bolted in. These brackets are not the straightest in the world. When I ran the bolts down, I got some bending, but that's okay because this is not an original bumper. Level-wise, two fingers and 2 fingers, so it's actually sitting pretty level. It leveled itself up pretty nice. A lot straighter than the old bumper. But I think what we're going to attempt to play with now is headlights. I don't remember exactly. So this is going to be driver's front, or it has to be the high beam. This will be the high beam side. Okay. I've got hardware kit here. Headlight adjuster assembly, a whole bunch of them. Of course, I don't have a knife on me. I don't think there's anything in this cheap tool kit that I have. But I do have a screwdriver. So I think if we gingerly install these brand new little clips. Don't throw the screws around too much. Come on. Got sharp edges on them. Pinching when I try to press them in. That one's in. 2 per, and there's no listing for high beam, low beam. There shouldn't be, they're pretty much all the same. I guess the adjusters. See a puppy dog. Are you back for more? What? You may want a camera. Yes, I know. You just want some snuggles. Huh? Being attacked by a pit bull. Yes. Being attacked by a pit bull. I'm trying to work you. You just out cruising the neighborhood? Still? Huh? What? Go to crazy stuff. Where's your stick? Go find a stick. When you find a stick, I'll throw it for you. You gotta go find one though. your stick? Where? Where? Good stick. Getting my pod. Pliers. Try to not delay the process. Come on. I'm using the wrong tool for this. Let's go on. Let's go on. That one's in. This is so much fun. Now I'm going to work on this other side here, and we'll bring these guys back when we're closer to being finished. Fun, 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 fun. So I've got harnesses and whatnot that have to be spliced in for the headlight change on this beast, but I will deal with that when the time comes. These headlights are a little crooked. Whew. Bit of work, but I'm liking it. I'm liking it. The look is just what I want. The nose on this thing is looking really good. Check this out. Now we're just mocked up. Let me get spun around here so I can see what we're looking at. Hold on a sec. Hold on. Here we go. Flip you around. Oh yeah. So the grill and the headlights around are just setting in there right now. I don't have any of the retainer clips for the grill. Need to order a set of those. I did already order the trim that goes all the way around. I've got that sitting in the garage at home. So, but I am extremely pleased with how this truck is turning out. That is the look that I wanted. So I am excited. I am happy, happy, happy. So, like I said, everything's just loose on the front right now. Got to get some retainers and some screws. I did bust one of the adjuster, this is my Band-Aid, one of the adjuster retainers for the lower left-hand headlight. I got to order another one of those. When I was putting everything together, I think I just didn't have the screw in enough, so it popped out and it snapped it, so oh well. But yeah, I am very pleased so far. So, need to find the screws and bolts that hold that filler panel. It's just laying there on the very bottom right now. Get that mounted up, because that also holds the grill and the bottom edge of those headlight surrounds. But that is the look that I want. I love the stacked headlights on these trucks. I don't know what it is about them. I really, really, really like that. So, alrighty, I'm going to kick y'all off. I think I'm going to jump on those mirrors next. Get those swapped over tonight, and then that's going to about do it for this evening. It's Monday. My back is killing me. I haven't eaten yet for a while. It's Memorial Day. It's 5:30. Hopefully those mirrors won't take too long. So, we'll be back in the next one. Y'all be good. Bye-bye.